In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new wallet in Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a popular and secure cryptocurrency wallet, and today we're going to walk through the process of setting up a new wallet both on your mobile device and on your computer so you can choose the method that works best for you. Let's start with your mobile device. First, open the Trust Wallet app. Once you've done that, you'll be greeted by the main interface. Here, you'll notice several features that Trust Wallet offers, like sending, swapping, funding, and selling various tokens. This array of features is what makes Trust Wallet such a versatile tool for managing your cryptocurrency. Now, if you look at the top of the screen, you'll see an option labeled Wallet. Go ahead and tap that. This will bring up a couple of choices. You can either create a new wallet or add an existing one. Since our goal today is to create a new wallet, you want to click on Create New Wallet. After that, you'll follow a simple prompt, and just like that, you've created your new wallet. It's really that easy. Now, let's talk about how you can do the same thing on a PC. Open Trust Wallet on your computer. Just like on your mobile device, you'll see your wallet account there. Click on it, and you'll be presented with two main options: Add New Wallet and Manage Wallet. Since we are focusing on creating a new one, select Add New Wallet. Then, two choices will appear. I already have a wallet and Create New Wallet. Since we're focusing on how to create a totally new wallet, go ahead and click Create New Wallet. Follow the prompts, and soon enough, you'll have your new wallet ready to go. It's worth mentioning that, during these straightforward steps, you might come across prompts asking you to set up additional security measures like backup phrases or passwords. While it might take an extra minute, it's crucial for the safety and security of your assets. Whether you're doing this on a mobile device or a computer, Trust Wallet makes the process seamless and user-friendly. Taking the time to set it up properly ensures that you have the peace of mind knowing your cryptocurrency is safely stored. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. Creating a new wallet in Trust Wallet is quick and easy. Whether you're on your phone or using your PC, you're now well equipped to manage your crypto journey securely. Thanks for joining me today, and happy investing.